Right, there we are. We finish our cooking our saag, the spinach. Yeah, that's about 10 minutes. 10 minutes cooking, and we're done. There we go. Now, when we do our sagalu, take a bit of spinach and you add the potato head. And if you're doing straight spinach, you just take as it is. And we just showed you how to make the base saag spinach. Please go onto my website www.indianrestaurantcooking.com, where you can write your views and reviews. And once again, thank you so much for everybody who's been watching my video and joining me and subscribing my channel. Once again, a big thank you to everyone and everyone who's trying our recipes, and also to the people who are loading our video to other sites. I'm ever so grateful for you doing this. Thank you so much. And that's for today's video on how we make our spinach saag, pre-cooked saag. Thank you.